Good morning, everybody.
Order.
Please close the door. It's cold. It's very, very cold. So, who is going to present today?
See.
Sushil, please come and perform your task. Okay? Come. Everybody just pay attention to what the subject matter. Adam, which chapter are you going to do? Sorry? You must say? What is not? You're not interested? Okay. Wow, what a lovely thing. Just check. Some photos also you can take.
Namaskar and very warm good morning to you all. So Sushil is standing here to present on chapter 18 carbon and its compound. First I am going to discuss about the carbon. The word carbon is derived from the Latin word carbon meaning soot or charcoal. The meaning of carbon is soot and charcoal and it is
A bit
derived
loudly, okay?
and carbon is derived from the Latin word carbon. Carbon has been well known to people since ancient times in the form of charcoal and soot. Carbon and its compound are present everywhere. They are found in the food that we eat, the clothes that we wear, and even in the lead of the pencil by which we write. Besides, this carbon is found in nature in different forms such as gold, coke, diamond, graphite, etc. The main element of all organic compound is the carbon. Thus, carbon is black colored non-metal element. According to data, carbon is the fourth most abundant element in the universe and the 17th most common in the earth. Carbon is very potent.
First underline and explain. Then you do next class. Underline and then yeah. So first underline something. Yeah.
Carbon is important in our daily activity and it is used in found in the food, the clothes, and even the pencil lead by which we can write. And carbon is found in different forms in nature such as gold, coke, diamond, graphite, etc. It is generally black in color, but some metals, some non-metals of some of the carbon are colorless like the diamond and graphite. Carbon is also a major part of all plants and animals including human beings. Carbon is found in a free state as well as in a combined state in the atmosphere. It is present as carbon dioxide and comprises about 0.038% of the total volume of the atmosphere. Carbon is found in a combined state such as in minerals, etc. Minerals, example marble, CaCO3, fossil fuel, carbohydrates, protein, etc. of living beings. It is also present in the free state such as graphite, diamond, etc. In the nasal, carbon is found in various forms such as element, carbon compound, and in the gaseous state. Carbon is a major part of our life and it is part of human beings. It is found in free state as well as a combined state. It is found in minerals like marble, fossil fuel, carbohydrate, protein, and free state like graphite and diamond. In nature. Carbon is a non-metal. It belongs to group 14, IBA, and period 2 of the modern periodic table. It lies in
Underline that one and explain.
it belongs to group 14, IBA of modern periodic table. Its atomic number is 6 and atomic weight is 12. Since its atomic number is 6, it has 6 electrons in the orbits or shells. These 6 electrons are arranged in different cells of a carbon atom. The electronic configuration of carbon is 2 4. This shows that carbon has 4 valence electrons, thus the valency of carbon is 4. Carbon is a non-metal and its atomic number is 6 and its electronic configuration is 2, 4 and its valency is 4, so it is called a non-metal. Carbon has two properties, tetravalency and catenation. Carbon tetravalency. Carbon has four valence electrons and its tetravalency. Carbon has four valence electrons and its valency is four. Tetra means four, and the since carbon has valency 4, it is capable of bonding with four other atoms of carbon of the atom of other elements. The compound of carbon are formed with the metal like oxygen, hydrogen, nitrogen, sulfur, fluorine, etc. Thus, tetravalency is the property of carbon atom to combine with the atom of other element. And the compound of carbon are formed with other elements also. The combining capacity of carbon with other four valence electrons of carbon is known as tetravalency. Catenation. When the elements except carbon make a covalent compound with similar elements, they share electrons with only one or two elements. For example, three atoms in ozone O3, two atoms in nitrogen. But carbon has a unique ability to form four covalent bonds with other four carbon atoms, giving rise to a long or branch chain molecule of the compounds. Therefore, the unique property of carbon to form the bonds with other carbon atoms, giving rise to a long chain branch chain molecule is called catenation. Catenation is the unique property of a carbon in which it reacts with other carbon atoms and form a long chain. Allotropy and allotropy of carbon, they also show similar chemical properties. These different forms of carbon are called allotropes. The property of an element by virtue of which it can show many physical forms and have similar chemical property is called allotropy. And allotropes are the elements which exist in different forms, having different physical properties and similar chemical properties. Carbon exists in different allotropic forms. Diamond and graphite are two common crystalline allotropes of the carbon. They both have the structure of carbon atoms joined together by covalent bond. Allotropes. The body of which it can show many physical properties as well as chemical properties, and different chemical properties. Carbon shows similar chemical properties also, and it have two allotropes such as diamond and graphite. Diamond is the purest and
On the line.
Diamond is the purest and the densest form of carbon. It is the hardest substance because of its structure. Its density is 3.52 gram per centimeter cube, and it is transparent to X-rays. It is a bad conductor of heat and electricity, and it is inert because it has no free electrons. Diamond is the purest form of carbon, and it is the hardest substance found in the earth, and its density is 3.52 gram per centimeter cube, and it is colorless and transparent to X-rays, and also a bad conductor of heat and electricity. Some uses of diamond are it is used as a precious gem in jewelry. Carbon is used as a gem in jewelry in different kinds of jewelries. It is used for cutting glass and it is used for cutting glass and marble. It is the hardest substance of the earth, so it is used for cutting different types of glass and marbles. It is used to make high quality thermometer also. Graphite. Graphite is also called a plumbago or black lead. Graphite is a dark gray crystalline substance with a metallic luster. Its density is
Underline.
its density is 2.26 grams per centimeter cube at 20 degrees Celsius. It is a good conductor of heat and electricity because it has free electrons. Graphite is also called a plumbago or black lead, and it is a dark gray crystalline substance. Its density is 2.26 gram per centimeter cube at 20 degrees centigrade. It is a good conductor of heat and electricity because of free electrons. And some uses of graphite are, it is used to make pencil lead. Graphite are used in making pencil leads. It is a good conductor of heat and electricity, and the mixture of graphite and clay is used to make electrodes. And last portion is physical properties of carbon state. Carbon is found in the solid state. Carbon is insoluble in water and it cannot dissolve into water.
Underline.
Carbon is insoluble in water. Carbon is black in color except diamond and graphite. Generally, carbon are black in color, but diamond is colorless. Carbon is very brittle. It cannot hammered by. It cannot be changed into sheet by hammering. Carbon is a bad conductor of heat and electricity, but graphite is good conductor of heat and electricity because it has free electrons. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you. And how is it today? Take one photo.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Okay, thank you very much. So children, so we have discussed this chapter recently. Yes, sir. Carbon and its compounds. And Rajan has already surrendered. He showed interest earlier to present, and just now he said, sir, not sent, means he didn't prepare. So to say it's very easy, but to bring that in action is something difficult, right? Yes, sir. If so, now next thing what are we going to discuss? Audio presentation. So, which presentation shall we take here? Ismarika Bhujel's presentation. Because Ismarika has him. Respected sir, I have attached my file. It's the presentation chapter 13 ICT. Right? Okay, Ismarika? Let's check. So what she has prepared and sent. There are together 9 slides because we have got museum of slides. Yes or no? Are you a museums or not? Whatever you have prepared and sent, they are already kept here. So this is prepared by group Edison. That's right. So there was such Edison group, and today he is in outrage today. What happened, boy? You are in outrage. Any good news? Master? Then why did you come in outrage? So creating mail using Gmail, this technique she has mentioned. So let's check. You know, what is your Gmail address? Stand up, Hasan. Good. Yours? Yours? Good. Yours? Yours? Sorry? Pousha, you don't make, you change your email address. You make, you have to use your first name. Otherwise, people, they will not recognize, right? Change it. Yours? Yours? Oh. Yours? Stand up first. At the beginning 09. Then Harus Kargi. Okay. You. You.
I-7380
You.
K795
You. You.
The King 69 at the
Anmol the king. You. Time is there. You. Good. You. 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 Hello. No, no. You. Okay. It means everybody has got Gmail address, right? We have already prepared it also. And you are habitual to send, but while sending email, there must be followed all the norms. So you have to write the application to because actually two means there is email and dear sir, dear ma'am, I have attached this one. Please find out the file for it is for your reference. And regards, your name, date. All those things must be done. And subject also must be written correctly. So what is here? Steps to send a mail using mail. Okay, so this thing also let's check. Open a mail using Gmail on your computer. Yes, so click on compose. Technique is here, right? Compose. Then in the to field and BCC field, write recipient's email and the body of the letter. So to means whom you are sending, right? So sometimes you may send to many more. Then you have to write the address again and again. Exclamation. Now click on the send button to send it. Exclamation. This is for sending only. But it's not here about attachment. Let me check another one. To see email of your Gmail account. Okay. To see email of your Gmail account, what to do? Open your Gmail in your computer. Next one, click on inbox. Next, now click on mail to read. Okay. So why not you do this immediately experiment? Here is Gmail account. Yes or no? Then Gmail is here. Let's go back. Then where to go? Inbox. Now, here is Sushil son. Prishita Shrestha she has sent. Urgent request. What is here? Forwarded message from Prishita sister. So what is your urgent request? She has written like this. See. Hello sir, how are you? Hope you are doing well good. I am Sri. What is Sri?
sorry.
My good name. I am sorry that this is really urgent, but my colleague asked me to contact my
School.
Uri Baba and asked them to send all information and image number and other required things. I thought that while I gave you the letters, you already had but tons out. It had not been done, so my deadline is up to tomorrow, 1 p.m. Otherwise, my name won't be registered as NEP. St. College, the name registered where my name was not there, so I humbly request you to send it immediately before 1 p.m. under my right name, as many others have sent it to other surname and many errors are there. Trinity International Secondary School, image number, please send it fast, sir, and thank you. Yes. Actually, what system is there? When the student doesn't want to study one school and wants to get another, then the students all information should be sent to others, right? So, what do you think? Image. So this everybody you have got image. So tomorrow I will take your photo, and we will make our image up to date. Understood? With photo. All right. Then wherever you go, you will be identified, and you must bring your birth certificate. What to bring? Tomorrow. Bring birth certificate and photocopy. but there must be your present address. What should be there? Present address. So in present address, what should be there? I'll just show you now. Okay, children. What are you going to do? This is the English one, and you can write in your which study? English. Read somebody talking. Now what to bring? I'll just tell you. It will be easy. So we will sit together and then make everything ready. Right? We will make everything ready. Okay. So you can write in your rough copy. Information. Which year? 2021 class. Which class is that? Class 9, right? Class 9 low. Okay. Arina Guwaju is here. Anmol Adhikari, Arush Khadge, Ashwin Shrestha, Girish Mahajan, Desara Bhandari, Deepak Bohra, Jenish Sadara, Krijal Khanka, Kritika Adhikari, Nikisha Manandra, Nistara Sai, Parson Bimali Chetri. Parson Bimali. No, now I'll tell you. Bimali Chetri, Rajan Thapa, Smarika Bhujal, Sneha Mala Thakuri, Sneha Rai, Sushil Chan, Swarnima Mahajan, Tejas Babu, Youth Pariyar, right? On this one? Jenny Sadar already Sadar right there. How many are there altogether? Altogether 21, right? 21. Suppose now this discuss about first one, actions. Now action, beautiful. With this, Arina Guhaju, your photo is missing here. Now I will click photo, keep here. Image code this one, gender female. And admitted year when 2074. It means it was registered in 2074. When at that time you were in class 2. Now she is in class 9.
Sir, I started studying.
You started from nursery, but they started the system a bit later on, maybe 2073, 74. That's why it was done. DOB 6857.
What? Sir, I 67, I think, but I
No,
don't
that's why we need birth certificate. Caste, Janjati,
Janjati?
mother tongue.
Sir, what is Janjati?
Rajkumar Gugaju, mother's name is not here, right?
Sir, what is Janjati?
Janjati means this Newar, Magar, Gurung, Rai, they are. So, next one. Now, another one, let's see. Whose shall we see now? Arishman, okay. Why Arishman? Arishman is second is Arishman. Anmol Adhikari is there. Anmol Adhikari. New details. His other photo is missing. So, 2073 it was registered here, see? He was in class 1 at that time. Current class 9. Madan Adhikari, Pousha Acharya, contact number, this and that, many things are missing, right?
So date of birth I think wrong.
6742.
39.
Sorry?
39.
39. Now we will correct this one here, right? Understood or not? Tomorrow we will fill this one. Understood? So please come with your birth certificate. Write down in your diary. Write down, otherwise you will forget. Write in your diary. Bring when tomorrow don't say, sir, I forgot. I don't want to hear like this. Especially that Arush Khadge said. Tell it like that. Talk became very long. Caught it. So tomorrow we will make this up today, right? Understood or not? Okay. So students, now what to do? You were discussing about the presentation of Miss Click on music. Now, what is the next one? Use of internet to find study materials. But you are not doing this one. See? And you became very lazy. Just ask question, GPT will give GPT answer, you write GPT and bring your GPT and become GPT and exam also write GPT and then marks also GPT. GPT. Or GPT, what is that?
G.
That's GPT, but you made it GPT. You have to write in your own way, then it will be long lasting. Bimali, what are you writing there? Stand up and catch here. Penny, it is in his hand. And he says nothing is done. Catch your ears, not pen. Not pen I write now. Bimali, Khatri, Chetri, Neubani, Kesi, Khatranga Khiladi, Thaka Banda also. So many names. Okay, now listen. So please find out the websites which are useful to you. You will get not many more information from there. Understood or not? You do one thing. Separate near about half an hour to 45 minutes time for internet only. Understood or not? 45 up to 45 minutes and search the things. Interesting you can get it. But don't distract your mind in that reels and short stories. Next one. So, are you a search engine or not?
Search.
So, what is search engine?
The best tool.
What is that?
A best tool.
Web-based tool that is used by people to find information on the internet. Directly we cannot find out, so we have to go to this. Especially we use this Google, right?
Sir, what is that AOL?
AOL is also this thing. AOL is
This
also
search. No, search engines. I only use two. Talk.
what that? AOL.
Yes, sir.
Sir, we have to.
AOL. AOL.com. News, sports, weather, done. Now search here.
So who go jail, sir?
Search engine. What is
Yeah.
Yeah. Donald Trump. What happened?
Just reject Trump.
Yeah.
Judge Monday refused to throw out presented with Trump.
So here I have this thing. You can search anything. So these are, what are these? Children, what are these?
Search engine.
Especially we use Google. But if you go in this one, here is different.
What is all these?
This is a Microsoft.
What I have seen.
Microsoft Edge is also here.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. We can use it. We use next search engine Firefox also,
Sir.
right?
So there is one Internet Explorer. What is that?
Internet Explorer. This is the one. This is a Microsoft. Isn't
What
it?
we can do in that?
Sorry?
We got that one.
Same thing. So that's what we have to do. Big AI. This is also GPT. Bad AI.
I saw.
Anupam with the high storage. Microbiology. You see, Mission Yogani is also here. Bing Chat is also here. Enter password. Now I'm not going to show you. Okay. This is fine. Search engine. Search operators. Like in there, what do you do? In search engine, hello, you have to write something like site.html. moetdc.gov.in. You have to type something. That is sort of it. So many things you can find out here. Thank you. Now let me check next person's one here. It came here, Jimmy Sadar, what he has said.
Catwalk.
Catwalk, okay. Let's check Jimmy Sadar catwalk. What has he done? I think catwalk, but it became very, now it's a bit broad type, right? Which one of the following is not a cyber crime?
Online privacy.
Online privacy checking is not cyber crime? Online.
Privacy. Phishing. ATM attack.
Which one?
ATM attack, I think.
I think ATM attack, right? Not this online one. Which one of the following is a multicellular
Mushroom.
I think that mushroom, right? Who propounded the theory of natural selection?
Sorry.
That's Darwin. Where is apical meristem located?
Tip of the root and stem.
In the tip of root and stem. STEM, not AM. STEM, remember. What is the use of elasticity?
Not refilling.
What is that?
Heating. Charging. What?
Charging the mod, what is it?
What?
Changing the mod into a base. What is that? Malleability of iron. Making bread from flour. It is this one. Malleability of iron is correct. Hello? Not this one. Hitting the cup. When you hit the cup, again put it in the original position. What are they doing? What is the efficiency of a perfect machine? Hey, Anmol.
Yes, sir.
Efficiency of perfect machine.
100%.
Which one of the following is the SI unit of electric current?
Ampere.
Ampere hero. Here is ampere. Why are you doing namaskar, Vimali? Cat here. Namaskar, sir. Chomcha is time? No chomcha giving. What is the molecular weight of calcium carbonate? Remember how to calculate molecular weight? Calcium carbonate means CaCO3. Discuss one time and forgotten. What a good idea. So what to do? First write down Ca. This is तुम्हारे स्टार में क्या चाहिए? Next नमूना is good. You go near to स्मारी का मुझे go back. दिन दाड़े रहा. हाँ? Utilize time at home. He is writing now. So what do you learn? You will be copycat boy. Brother, Ojas Kumar Babu, he is studying engineering. Younger brother, Tejas Kumar Babu, copying from other stuff. Chorka Sardar? What is this? Time management is important. Okay, Biren's brother, Biresh. There are so many friends, brothers, sisters. One Pousha was there earlier. Sushil Pousha. Now here youth Pousha. What an Arna Gubzu? Gubaz, okay, look at this. Ca plus C plus 3 times O. Why 3 times O? Because oxygen has 3. Then you have to remember, what is the atomic weight of calcium? Hello, atomic weight of calcium? 40. Carbon?
20.
12, 20. 6 plus 6 is 12. 20. Another chord is there. 20. How was that?
Yeah.
Plus 3 times oxygen. 8 plus 8.
60.
Atomic mass or atomic weight means. Pousha, come here. Chewing gum, come here.
Oh.
Yeah, come. Chewing gum, come here. Make it back one straight. Come here. And you have to choose, you know. You have to take the decision. So that's it. So, Pousha. Go from there. Do the Pousha. 3 times 16. Now how much does it come? 40 plus 12 plus 16 3 is
6 3 is 18, 8,
48. Minor multiplication you don't know. What do you know? How do you eat and throw? Huh? Now add. 8 plus 15. 0. 5. 6 plus 4. 10. 100. AMU. Minor addition, multiplication, division, subtraction we can use our mind to do. For that also calculator. Whatever dependency is that, Bandari. Okay. Like this, we will be discussing the things. This Friday, I have to give 3 hours work to everybody. Understood or not? Because of Sushil. Next week I will give 3 hours work because of Rajan. Rajan, he has not submitted his work. So that you will get another 3 hours work. Now I will just see the work collectively. What I am writing there means. Start even catch use for your margins. Do work at home. So 2 weeks are already fitted. I think next week there is exam. I'm going to give. So these questions are very important. And that is your BBA work. What is that? BBA work. You have to do in loose sheet. What to do?
Loose sheet.
Make PDF file and send it to me. The loose sheet also you have to submit. When you come to school, submit the loose sheet. When you are at home, after completion of that, PDF file and send. Is that clear? Thank you.